Hello guys, today I will show you how to add animation in Squarespace. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to squarespace.com and log in using your user credentials. After logging in, you will see this page where you'll have to click on the Site Styles button at the top right side of the screen. So simply navigate to your website, then you will see the Site Styles button at the top. After clicking there, you will see different options available like themes, fonts, colors, buttons, and forms. Now, from these, you'll have to choose the one that says miscellaneous at last. Now, it will show up these two options from which you'll have to click on the one that says animations. Now, choose the type of animation you want. For example, I can choose fade and this will be the animation. When I scroll down, the page will fade and show. Now, if you choose a scale, everything is going to zoom in on your website. So if I scroll up, you will see a zoom in effect. You can choose slide. As you can see, everything is sliding up. You can also choose the speed of this if you want a slow speed of the animation like this, or if you want it fast. You can also choose clip and flex. So after choosing your animation, just go back or just click on save option at the top left and it will instantly save that animation to your website. So that is a simple way to add animation on your website on Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.